connect TradingView to Coinbase. So how to connect TradingView to Coinbase? Now, first of all, make sure you log into your TradingView account. Now from here, select brokers and select or click on compare brokers. Now select crypto, and now as you can see, we have just two options. We don't have the Coinbase here. So this depends on country that you live in. So if you live in country that supports to connect TradingView to Coinbase, you will find it here. In my case, I can find it. So what I will do is by going to Coinbase. Now make sure you are logged into your account. Now from here in the sidebar, you will see the option called Advanced. Now after you click on it, you will be able to see this chart. So this is similar to the TradingView, and you can now use this website to make your trades. So I know this is not a solution, but this is what you can do for now at this moment. So this is how to connect TradingView to Coinbase. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.